Hey y'all, so I just finished with my workout. I did 40 minutes. Yeah, like 39, 40 minutes, y'all. This weight is coming off. Like my stomach is already, you see how it's sinking in on the sides? See the little dents? It's gonna be gone. Tina, the talking tummy is about to be gone, y'all. So, and I'm just starting to feel better. I only been walking, well, before I got sick, I wasn't walking. Last year, I had a good year. Like, I didn't have a lot of health issues, but since I've been walking for the last week, I'm starting to feel better already and eat better. Show y'all what I got. So, I was just down here cutting up some oranges. This is what I'm going to have today at work. I work in the kitchen, so food is always around. Sweets, you got to be very disciplined, and I'm trying to be. I've been doing pretty good. I'm proud of myself. I've been doing real good. Not giving in to temptation. We got ice cream, cakes, and cookies, and you name it, the kitchen got it. And you just you gotta say, you know what I do? Every time I even think about putting my hand on something sweet or something that I know is unhealthy, I think about my kidneys. Because I have kidney disease, stage 3. I get to thinking about that. I get to thinking about me being on dialysis. I get to thinking about my blood pressure. That's how I'm able to stay away, y'all. Tricking my mind, basically. It's a nice knife. I got this knife out of Walmart. And I tell you, it's sharp. What it say? Time table. I guess that's a brand. I don't know. But it's a sharp knife. Oh shit, I got it backwards. Damn. There you go. I got it in the little cupboard. So, I got oranges. And mind you, I have not eaten anything all day, all morning. I fast in the morning till about 12 o'clock or 11 or 12. I fast. The only thing I drink in the morning. Of course, I drink my herbal tea. Sometimes I'll do like a shot of apple cider vinegar and a little bit of water and lemon. Or, yeah, that's all. I don't drink nothing else but that. So I was sitting here thinking, I was like, okay, so let me show y'all this. I got this from Aldi. Hold on, let me raise the camera up. Like, I just been trying to get more healthier options, y'all. Okay, so what I'm working with now, I have jackfruit. If you don't know what jackfruit is, it's what plant-based and vegan people eat for a meat substitute. I went and got me some quinoa. As you can see, I did eat a little bit out of it. I just got to learn how to cook quinoa. That's all. I got to learn how to cook it. Alright, so this right here, this pasta. I got 4 grams of carbs per serving. It only has 60 milligrams of salt, of sodium. And the ingredients. Y'all, we got to watch the ingredients. Okay, this says sliced hearts of palm in water with sea salt. And it got citric acid. I didn't see that. If I saw that citric acid, I wouldn't have got it. But I'm going to go ahead and use it because I got it. But for the most part, I think it's pretty much a little healthy. It's made out of hearts of palm. Hearts of palm, they come in a can. I don't have no more. But they come in a can. People eat them for a meat substitute in the vegan and plant-based community. So I can make like a pasta out of this. And then I got these noodles right here. Brown rice and quinoa. It's gluten-free. Now, the only ingredients, okay, y'all see, the only ingredients is the brown rice and organic quinoa. None of that other shit. No sodium. I'm learning to read my labels, y'all. I'm learning to read my labels. I got chia seeds, fiber. I put them in. You can put them in your oatmeal, salads, yogurt. You can put them in everything. I got to get some more because the bag is down here. This right here. I found this at Ross. This is coconut flakes. You can put these on anything. They are healthy. You can put them on your salads. You can put them on your. I put them in my smoothies. Yeah, put them in my smoothies. And then I got black beans. So I got something to make. I'm gonna make a meal tonight. I got some no salt added greens. This is what I sweeten with, y'all. The blue agave, the natural sweetener. You don't see no ingredients but the agave. None of that other bullshit in there. And I got chickpeas. I'm gonna go ahead tonight and make me a chickpea salad. I'm learning that if I go ahead and make stuff and have something on hand, it won't cause me to eat the shit that I know I ain't supposed to be eating. So I'm gonna start meal prepping, basically. Yeah, I need to meal prep. This is some broth that I bought when I was sick. Let me see how much sodium it got in here. My daughter bought it. Oh hell no, I can't use this. 570 grams of sodium. I'm gonna have to get this to somebody. I can't. I need low sodium or no sodium. But yeah, y'all, just showing y'all what stuff that I got healthy. Just showing y'all what I got healthy. I'm so excited. I'm so excited for this journey, y'all. And I'll make me a salad for lunch. The oranges are when I started get hungry and I want to snack on something. I have my fruit right there. We already got fruit at work anyway, but I don't think we got oranges. Most of the time, I ain't even got to take food to work because we got everything. Salads and fruit, but I just particularly want these oranges, and we don't have oranges at the time at work. So I'm going to put them right there. Also, I got some zucchini. I can go ahead and make that up and have it when I'm going to go ahead and cook this tonight or either early in the morning. I'm going to go ahead and just cook a couple things so I already have it. All right, y'all. I'm just sharing as I go. Maybe I can help somebody. I hope I can help somebody, but I'm going to share my journey as I go. Peace, y'all. Hope y'all have a good day. Peace, love, and light to everybody. Today, the sun is shining bright. Y'all get out. If you ain't got to work, get out, go walking, take the kids to the park. Do something. We got to have so much gratitude. There's so many things to have gratitude about, y'all. We should have gratitude about just waking up this morning. A lot of people did not wake up this morning. A lot of people can't even use their hands. Be grateful and thankful that you can use yours. Some people can't even can't see. Be grateful that you can see out of these two eyes. Be thankful and grateful that you can hear out of my big ears. I can hear out of these ears. All right, y'all. So with that said, I'm gone. I don't know. I'm so happy this morning. I'm so grateful. I'm joyful. I'm full of abundance. I'm full of blessings. I'm full of everything. Peace. I love y'all. Bye. If you're not subscribed, subscribe to my channel. I got some news coming to tell y'all. I'm so excited about. But, all right, y'all. See y'all later. Bye.